Assalamu alaikum. Yes, students, we start our topic. This is new topic, further functions. This is chapter number 2 in D3 book. Subject is mathematics, class PC. This is fifth lesson and this week is from 4th May to 8th May 2020. Methodology. Audio aids, visual aids, educational videos and homework assignments will help us in this lesson. Brainstorming. Here, prior knowledge can be checked and revised by asking simple questions. For example, we have two questions here. What is a function? Answer is here. Function is a relation or a rule which relates a number from one set called domain to another number in other set called codomain. Here we have second question. What are two conditions for a relation to be a function? Yes, answer is here. Two conditions for a function are number one, each element in domain set should be mapped with some element in codomain set. Second condition is here, no element in domain should be repeated for mapping. Yes, students, keep in mind these two questions relate our previously learned or discussed topic function in D2 which we have learned in class 7th. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students, I hope inshallah you would be able to find images of given values of variables, evaluate functions for given values of variables, find the values of unknowns with given conditions. Example number 1. Find the image of 1, 2, 3 under the function. Here we are given a function. F is a function from x to 4x. We can also read it as f is a mapping from x to 4x. Solution. This notation f is a function from x to 4x can be written as fx equals to 4x. So we use this notation or these notations in the same way. We solve this example with the help of these two sets. This set, first set A is called domain because we have to use values from here. And we have answers in this second set. This second set B is called codomain. Okay. We use the function fx equals to 4x. We use here values of x. Value of x is 1. We use one value of x here. Using here x as 1. Again here x as 1. We get f of 1 equals to 4 into 1. We get answer 4. So this is answer for this number 1. Similarly, for value of x2, we use here 2 and 2. F of 2 means when this function f applies on 2 or it acts on 2, we get 4 into 2. 2 is a value of x. We get answer 8. So this arrow shows here 8 answer. Similarly, 3 is a value of x. Again, use value of x here 3. 3 is here and 3 is here. Now f of 3 means answer of 3 is what? 4 into 3, 12. We have shown this value here. So these numbers 1, 2 and 3 have answers or images 4, 8 and 12. These 6 and 10 are extra in this set B. They have nothing with this working. Okay, now again I repeat, this set A is called domain because we use values from here, and this set B is called codomain because our answers, our images are here. Keep in mind these answers 4, 8 and 12 are also called images of the values. So we have discussed this point clearly. How can we find images of some values using some given function. Range is a set of images. All answers which we have obtained here, like 4, 8, and 12, when we enclose these in a set, this set is called range or set of images. In example number 2, if fx is a function equals 2x plus 1, here again we are given a simple function. Then we have to evaluate f of 2, f of minus 3, and f of 1 by 2. It means we have to find value of the function at 2, at minus 3, and at 1 by 2. We solve these 1 by 2, 1 by 1. Fx equals 2x plus 1 given function. Use here value 2. This value is here 2. We have to calculate this value of 2. F of 2, use here 2, and again use here 2 instead of this value of x, variable x. Now simplify this, we get answer 5. Similarly, f of minus 3 means we can find the function's value at minus 3 using this 3 minus 3 here. Solve this expression, we get minus 5, and similarly we can find value of the function at minus 1 by 2. Solve this value and we get here answer as 0. We have third example. This example, in this example, function fx is 3x square plus 4. This power 2 is called is something new for you, because in example 1 and example 2 we have dealt with simple functions which we have discussed in book D2 in class 7th. So this is further function, means now we may have x powers 2, power 3, and so on, or there may be radicals or fractions or denominators or numerators also as well. So this is a further function example. Fx is given 3x square plus 4. Find the value of f of 3, f of minus 2, and f of 2. Again I say this is nothing, just this is power 2 of x in this case. In the same way as we have done in example 1 and 2, we have to use value of x here. Yes, first f of 3, we use f of 3, use value 3, this value is replaced by x, 3 is here and 3 is here. Now simplify this expression, we get answer as 31. Similarly, f of minus 2, again use minus 2 value of x here and here. Yes, we use here and we open this, we simplify this bracket and simplified answer is 16. Similarly, f of 2a, keep in mind 2a is nothing, just like numbers, simple numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can replace x by anything. So here x will be replaced by what? 2a. So we replace 2a instead of x in this expression, getting 3 into what? 2a plus whole square plus 4. Opens bracket, we get here 4a square into 3, that is 12a square plus 4. This is final answer for this example. Recap. Yes, we may have short questions to revise main concepts discussed and learned in this lesson. What is a function? Yes, we have discussed it. This is a rule which maps one number with some other number in two sets. Similar. Second question, how can you explain domain set and codomain set? Yes, students, we have answered. We have to use two sets in the case of function. First set from where we use values of x is called domain set, and second set is called codomain, in which our answers or images are present. So domain and codomain are two sets in function discussion. I hope inshallah you have understood this topic very well and you would be able to solve questions from exercise 2a inshallah. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.